is number 4. Racing just started the blue material break quickly restaurant Mabipania side sweet that is girl Torres all comes next Prima Donna Santa Fe Be Cool comes next, then comes Friends for Never the sweet Julian second last, while Ariston is the only trailer by about 18 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch we have Sweet that is girl by about half length, moving upon a young series Forest all. Blue material is racing in third, and in fourth comes Prima Donna. Be Cool now moving upon a young side Santa Fe. Then next on line is Friends for Never, the sweet Julian, while Ariston is still racing in length inside the tres octavo. The sweet that is girl moving upon the outside Forest all. Prima Donna now trying to get closer in third. Then next online blue material Be Cool now moving upon the outside Friends for Never. Then comes Santa Fe Ariston, while sweet Julian now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Forest all. Oh, watch out! Then here comes Be Cool now moving upon the outside, and now since it's my turn to take the lead. The sweet that is girl is done on the inside, and finally it's Be Cool. Sweet that is girl, Friends for Never, Forest all, Prima Donna.
Nakita niyo po ang ating unofficial winner dito sa ating race number 4, 5A Be Cool, na sinundan nga nitong numero 6, Sweet Daddy's Girl. Tercerong dumating yung kakopol din yan si Friends for Never at numero 8.